Hi, so today is the fifth episode of my series, the fifth audit that I'm going to highlight. And it's in Laurel, Maryland, North Laurel, Howard County, 20723, in a townhouse community. It's an end unit, 1980s, somewhere around there build. And the customer's reason for getting the audit is because they purchased new HVAC and they feel like the second floor is still colder than what they'd like. So purchasing HVAC did not solve their problem. So I'm going to see if I can help. So I just finished my energy audit in Laurel. It was a end unit townhouse, and the problems were pretty simple, pretty basic. The insulation in the attic was thrown around. It was moved because of different installations through the years, ceiling fans and different electrical, maybe new light fixtures. The hatch was also paper thin and had very little insulation. And during the blower door test, it was, leaking pretty bad. And there were a couple of large thermal bypasses. The return that was at the top of the wall upstairs, the supplies were all down on the floor, that was open. The cavity, the conduit, the chase was open at the attic floor. There was a piece of wood in the way, but that really wouldn't stop, the problem of the heat escaping through that channel. And there was also a large thermal bypass around the bathroom plumbing that was interesting, as well as the exhaust fans. That was another classic problem that, is recurring in a lot of households, particularly in the builds that were done in the 80s and 90s, and before. And then I think the other thing here, which is also a recurring type of problem, is the rim and band joist in the basement. And the good thing, and I start to notice this over a long period of time, is that a lot of times the places where the most penetrations are going through that part of the house to the outside, creating gaps and cracks, they usually tend to be unfinished, because those types of things are dryer vents and plumbing where you need to be able to turn the water off and on. And then bathroom exhaust fans, they'll snake them around and find, the easiest place to get them out. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and until the next episode.